Hey, welcome to Tech Talk. My name's Ed. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the voice typing, and also referred to as the dictation in Windows 10 and 11. I believe both of them. Might be just Windows 11, but you may also have another one called voice access. I'm not going to cover that today, but if you type in a search voice access, you can test it out. Just click on it and open it. Anyways, let me show you really quick how to use the voice typing. It's really simple, and it's very, very, very handy when you need to type a lot, and it's really accurate. And specifically if you're having trouble with maybe carpal tunnel, trigger finger, something, I have some significant pains in my wrist and my hands from time to time. It's gotten better. But anyways, let me show you really quick how to open this. It's really simple, and then I'll give you a quick demonstration on how to create a grocery list with it, and how to do numbers and some other things, and it'll be really quick. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to just hit the Windows logo key. It's on all computers, or all keyboards I should say, and if you hit Windows key H, it'll just pop up just like this, and you can select got it. You can change a few settings in here. You can investigate these. I'm not going to mess with them in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click got it, and then I'm going to open up a notepad, and I'm going to give you an example of how it works. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it up again, and you'll notice as soon as you open it, sometimes it likes to just already engage. Just erase what you got. And when you're ready, your intuitive and seemingly invective ideas or conjectures seem to be an inverted attempt to debauch my mood. It was close, but it missed a few words. And that's all you have to do is go back in. You can also go back in and say, maybe just go here and you can click speech and then say intuitive again. Intuitive. And then you'll notice that it spells it correctly. So let's try the same thing with the other word. Let's see if it will hit it the second time, because I noticed the more you practice with this, for example, I had trouble with my name. And when I said Edward, it would say add word, and it kept doing it. And now I think it's finally figured it out. We'll test it in a second to see if it continues. Debauch. And as you can see, it got it correct that time. So it does learn as it goes along. But it's also about how terrible I speak. I have a tendency to mumble a lot. So let's try period. Edward. Wallace. Wallace. So as you can see, I had to say it a couple of times, but it doesn't do that very often. So if you want to go to a new line, just say new line. New line. New line. New line. You can do that all day long. All right, so let's create a grocery list. Grocery list. Center it. Hey, you can't blame me for trying. New line. New line. 1. Period. As you can see, when I said 1 and I paused, it said, okay, I'm going to change it to a 1. Now, if I say 2, and then I go and I say more cats. So for example, let me test it. New line. 2 more cats in the house. More. So as you can see, it knew that I was creating a list. So it immediately went to creating the number 2. Now, let's see what happens if I don't create the first number. 2 more cats in the house. 2 more cats in the house. So it still intuitively writes the number 2. Period. 2 more. See, as you can see, it still wants to create the 2. So that's kind of a flaw with it, but it'll learn it as you go along. But you can literally keep, with the list, you can just do 1 period eggs. New line. 2 period milk. New line. 3 period cheese. Anyways, that's pretty much it. You really can type anything you want. Like, if this helps you, please consider hitting that thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, and of course, share with everybody. All right. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great night. All right. Bye.